Good morning, children. Myself Avinash welcomes you all in today's online lesson organized by Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. Okay. Now, children, we we very well know the names of geometrical shapes. Can you tell me the names of geometrical shapes? We learn about circle, then triangle,
Angle,
square. Very good. Then
square, rectangle,
yes, very good. These
oval,
are the
oval,
oval. Very good. These are okay. So see here. Today we will going to learn about perimeter and area of square rectangle. Okay. Now I will like to introduce myself Avinash Bhoi from Mumbai Public School Dharavik Killa. Our administrative officer is Mistress Snehalata Dumbre ma'am. Then nodal beat officer is Sharad Kurade sir and nodal HM is Mistress Mary Pushpam Paul ma'am. Then assistant nodal HM is Mistress Manpriti Kaur Anand and our CNO is Mr. Ratilal Kisan Burungule sir. Okay. Now we will have to start the lesson. Okay. Now see this. This is the name of our topic, that is
area,
perimeter
perimeter area.
and area. Okay. Now can you guess or see the picture perimeter and area? Can you tell me what you have to see in this picture?
Sir, the perimeter is the edge of that field or anything, and the
Yes.
ground and the area is that between area the perimeter of that
Okay.
field
Okay. Very good. Perimeter means okay. Now we can see. Okay. See this. This is perimeter. That is, this is the boundary line. So we can say that
edge.
yes,
It's a
edge.
perimeter.
Yeah, okay, or we can say that it is a boundary line of this field or farm. Okay, so perimeter means what? Perimeter means the total length of boundary line or edge. Okay, and okay,
Yes.
this is area. Area means
Area is between the perimeter.
okay. Area means the field inside boundary line. So total, yes.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, now we will see this. Okay, now first of all, you have to
Help
I
me.
will I
I
will share you a story, and he is in my friend is in problem, and you have to give me a solution. Okay,
help me.
now
I have
see here.
a friend,
Uh,
Shamir.
okay, I will read.
Friend,
Okay, I have friend Sami,
Shamir.
and he had some
He
field,
has some
and he had some
he has
corn cans.
garden
Okay,
in this state,
okay,
but there is a problem. So animals
yes,
like monkey, rabbit. I have a friend Samir. He has killed
okay. Read only one student.
plants, cone,
Yes.
plants in this field. But there is a problem. Some animals like monkey, rabbit enter his field at night and they destroy him corn plants. So Samir is very worried. So he
Okay, okay. Now,
the
can you?
filled with wire, but he did not know how long wire he should push to fence the whole field.
Okay, very good. Can you get the problem? What we have to find out?
Yes, sir. This
Yes. Then tell me what we have to do.
जो perimeter भी बना सकते हैं इसके अंदर. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then means fencing. Fencing means see. Fencing means what? Yes. See see, this is boundary line, okay, and this is corn plant, okay. So
Yes,
some my friend, that is Samit, he have some corn plants in his field, but the animals like monkeys and rabbits come to the field and destroy it. So he is very worried. So he have to fence his field. So we don't know how much long wire we have to buy to fence this field. So what we have to do?
We have to um, take out the perimeter of that field.
yes,
Okay, very good. We have to
very
find out the perimeter of this field. So okay,
Then we can
we
easily
have to find out the perimeter.
buy the
Yes.
wire.
Okay, but how we will find out the perimeter of this field? Can you give me the idea?
so what?
How we will find out the perimeter of this field? Yes. Okay. Now see this. This is I will tell you, if this is the first point. Okay. So if we have a rope, you all of you know the rope. So we will, yes, we will, then we, yes, we will cover the boundary lines with rope. Okay, then we will get the total length of that rope from first point to end point. Then by measuring that length, we will bought a wire for fencing of this field. Okay, so in this way we will have to find out the perimeter of this field. Okay, now
Yes, sir.
okay. See here, when your family puts up a new fence around your home,
Meter.
how will they know how much fencing they need? Same problem here. If we have to fence the field or fence our home, we have to find out the perimeter through the same way. Okay, so see this. This is our home, and we have to fence the home. So what we have to do? We can use rope, and then if we have measuring tape, okay, measuring tape, then we will have to use that and find out the total length of boundary lines. So we will get the perimeter of this. Okay, so perimeter means, all of you get what do you mean by perimeter?
Perimeter is the boundary line or edge of something.
Okay, boundary line means total length of boundary line. Yes.
Yes, total length.
Yes. Okay, now we will see this perimeter. Okay, so perimeter of a figure is the distance all the way around the figure. Okay, or the sum of lengths of all sides of the figure is called perimeter. Okay, that is sum of lengths of all the sides of the figure is called as perimeter. Okay. Okay, so here the figure is given, that is rectangle. So see here, this is rectangle. So can you tell me what is the perimeter of this rectangle?
Perimeter of the rectangle.
Yes, can you find out the perimeter of this rectangle?
Yes.
Okay, now tell me what is the perimeter of this rectangle? Okay, now first tell me perimeter means what? Perimeter means is the sum of the lengths of all
Sum of
sides.
the lengths of all
Yes.
sides of the figure is called as perimeter.
So can you tell me this? What is the perimeter of this rectangle? Perimeter means the sum of lengths of all the sides, or we can say that total length of the boundary line. So okay, see here, this is boundary line, and we have to find out the total length of this boundary line. So what we have to do? Nothing but, see, this is side 1, so 9 plus 5
Five.
plus 9
Nine.
plus,
Five.
okay, now easily we have to the length
Yes,
of all sides, and we will get the perimeter. So 9 plus 5 is 9 plus 5 is
14.
14. 14 plus 9, 23. And 23 plus 5 is, yes,
Our answer is
28.
28. Very good. So the total length of all side is 28 centimeter. Okay, so this is the perimeter of this rectangle. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, see how to find out the perimeter. P means perimeter, and okay, is equal to 5 centimeter plus 9 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 9 centimeter. That is 28
Sir.
centimeter is the, yes,
Sir, area means area, na?
yes, A means area. So first topic is perimeter, then we will see the how to find out the area. Okay. Okay, now this problem for you, you have to find out the perimeter of given figure. Can you find out the perimeter?
Yes. Sir,
Okay, now
24.
Sir, 22.
yes,
24.
28.
6, 12, 24.
24. Very good. 24 is right answer.
Sir, your
24
voice is
meter or centimeter? Yes.
Meter.
24 meter.
So we have to say meter also, not only 24. Okay, see here, 6 plus 6 plus 6
6
plus
plus
6.
6.
That is 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is,
24 meter.
okay, very good. That is 24 meter. Very good. Okay, now you have to find out the area of this triangle.
Okay.
Can you tell me what is the area?
28.
Area, not area. We have to find out the perimeter. Sorry.
Triangle.
Yes, yes. Tell me the perimeter of this triangle.
21 centimeter. 21 centimeter.
Okay, we will cross verify. That is 9 plus 8.
9 plus 8
That
plus
is 17. 17 plus 4 is 21
21
centimeter. Very good. That is right answer. Okay, now you have to find out the perimeter of this figure. Can you tell me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now find out and tell me.
39 millimeter.
39 millimeter. Okay.
Millimeter.
Millimeter. Very okay.
39
Okay,
millimeter.
I will check. I will check 15 plus
Plus
5. That is 20.
8
20 plus
plus
8 is
4
28 plus 7, 20. Yes, plus 4. Okay, that is plus 4.
15
So
plus
25. This is 28. 28 plus
29 answer.
7 is
29 answer.
20. No. 28 is not right.
29.
28 plus 35. 39 आएगा. Okay, the answer is 39.
39 millimeter.
39 millimeter. Very good. 39 millimeter is the right answer. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you have to find out the perimeter of this figure.
Sir, what means of in?
Yes, inches.
Sir, what
Inches.
means? Oh,
You heard the
inches.
word inches. Yes.
Yes.
26 inches.
26 inches.
Inches.
Okay, we will check it. So this is 444, means that is 4 3 12
Sir, 6 4 10, 10 4 18,
plus
12 plus
5
5.
5 plus 6 plus
6 plus 5.
3.
3.
17 plus 6 is 23 and 23 plus 3 is that is 26 inches. Okay, that is right answer. Very good.
26 inches.
Yes, 26 inches is the right answer. Very good. Okay, now see, these are the basic geometrical shapes.
Shapes.
Square,
Square,
circles,
circle,
triangle,
triangle,
rectangle.
rectangle.
Okay, very good. These are basic geometrical shapes, and we have to find out area and perimeter only of these. Okay, now.
Sir,
Okay, now.
Perimeter of a square. A square is figure with 4
Yes.
sides. The perimeter
perimeter,
can be formed by
perimeter of a square.
adding all 4 sides together.
Yes.
It it can also be formed by multiply the side's length by 4. So the formula of perimeter of square for perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiply the length of one side. So one side's p is equal to perimeter is equal to 4s square. 4 square.
Yes. Okay. So, are you getting it? What we have to do?
That's
So,
all.
okay. So, square is the
Perimeter
basic geometrical shape. And do you know the properties of square?
Sure.
In square, the length of all sides is equal. Okay. Yes. Yes or no? See this.
Yes, sir.
This
all the
is square.
all the
Square. So all these sides are equal. That is 9 meter, 9 meter, and 9 meter.
yes.
So there is no difference. So easily by by multiplying by 4, we will get the perimeter of any square if we know the length of that square.
Nine
Okay,
four, nine 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 two, eight, nine two, seven, nine four, 36. Yes,
36. Very
36
good. So
is answer.
36 meter. Okay. So this is the formula for, see.
So, is then
Yes, yes. So we have
सर
to,
मेरे को एरिया का भी फॉर्मूला पता है पेरीमीटर का भी
very good. So we have to learn the formula or by heart the formula how to find out.
perimeter is equal to square is equal to 4 multiply the
4
length
multiplied by s, or s means, what do you mean by s?
square.
S means not a square. It is the side of a square or length of side of square. Okay.
Side of square.
Okay. So side of square means length. We have to write the length. So here length is 9. So 4 into s. Into means multiplied by s. So 4 multiplied by 9. So that is the perimeter. Okay. Okay. Now
Yes.
find out the perimeter of squares using formula perimeter, or P is equal to 4s. That is 4 multiplied by
14,
length
14 inches.
14 inches.
No, sir, wait. 28 inches.
Very good. 28 inches. So here S is equal to what? S is equal to, given that is 7
Side
inches.
of perimeter of side. Sides of
Yes, that is 7 inches. So P is equal to 4 multiplied by 7. And we will get that is
20.
28 inches. Okay, very good. Now, so here this length of side of square is 11
40
millimeter.
millimeter.
44. Okay,
44.
very good. So P is equal to 4 multiplied by side
11
that is
fours
11.
are 4. 11 fours are 44.
44 millimeter. Very good. Okay, now here the side is given that is 5 centimeter.
20 centimeter. 20 centimeter.
20 centimeter. Very good. That is P is equal to 4 multiplied by 5 centimeter. That is 20 centimeter. Very good. This is how to find out the perimeter of rectangle. So all of you know the property of rectangle. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Okay.
Yes.
Square is also rectangle, but in rectangle,
Answer.
yes. What?
Centimeter answer.
Okay. Now first of all, we will see how to get the formula of perimeter of rectangle. So in rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Okay. And the perimeter can be found by adding all four sides together. We know that. So it can be found by adding twice the width together and twice the length. Okay. So perimeter is equal to 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth or width. Okay. So that is, we will get the formula 2L plus 2V. So L means what? Yes, if this is the length, okay, so this is the width or breadth. So P is equal to perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2L plus 2V. This is the easiest formula to find out the perimeter of rectangle. Okay. So to get, or easily we can add the all sides to get perimeter. But by using formula, we will save the time. So here 2 multiplied by L, that is 12, plus 2 multiplied by breadth, that is 3. So 2 multiplied by 12 is 24, plus this is 2 into 3, that is 6. So our answer is 30 centimeter. Very good. Okay. Now you have to find out the perimeter of rectangle using P is equal to 2L plus 2V. Student, can you tell me the answer? Okay, here the length of rectangle is 8 meter and breadth is 6 meter.
26 answer.
Yes,
26 answer.
26. Okay, we will see that. So first of all, what is L? L is 8 meter. Okay, and breadth is 6 meter. So P is equal to 2L plus 2V. That is 2. L is given that it is 8 plus 2 into 6. So 2 into 8 is 16. Okay, 16 plus 12. So we will get the answer, that is 28 meter. Is it right? So we have to use the formula to find out the perimeter of rectangle. So see here, 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 8, 14 plus 8, 22. 22 plus 6, 28. So 28 is right answer. Okay. Okay, now you have to find out the perimeter of this rectangle. Can you tell me, anyone tell me how to find the perimeter of this rectangle? 54. Okay, now we will check it. P is equal to 2 into 20 plus 2 into 7. That is 40 plus 14. That is 54 millimeter. Very good. Okay, now you have to find out the perimeter of this rectangle. Yes, tell me the answer.
28 answer.
28. Okay. Can you tell me what is the length of this rectangle?
Square.
5 inch. Okay. And breadth is
9.
9. Okay. Now tell me the formula for perimeter of rectangle. Yes. P is equal to 2L plus 2V. 2 into 5 is 10. 10 plus 2 into 9 is 18. So that is 28 inches. Very good. The answer is right. Okay. We will start the topic area. So still we saw we learn about how to find out the perimeter of area and rectangle. Now we will see how to find out the area of given figure, or area and rectangle, square and rectangle. Okay, so what do you mean by area? Okay, if your parents want to put a new carpet in your room, how will they know how much carpet to buy? Yes, can you give me any idea? Yes, student. See here, if your parents want to put a new carpet in your room, how will they know how much carpet to buy? So, if we want that carpet, so first of all, we have to find out the area of that room. Okay, and then we will buy a carpet. So, see here, this is, we already show this picture. So this is perimeter and this is area. So area means the field inside boundary line. So is it a square or rectangle? It is, yes, it is rectangle. So to find out the area, we have to only count the squares inside a figure or closed figure. To see this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have to count all these square units. So we will get that is 45 square units. So the area of this rectangle is 45 square units. Now, see here, the
The
area, yes, read it.
The area of a figure is found by finding how many square units it takes to cover its surface.
Okay, very good. So what do you mean by area? So
Yes.
in last figure, we will see that. Now tell me, what is the area of this figure? What we have to do? We only have to count the square units inside a figure. So can
Yes.
you tell me?
Yes, I can.
So this is figure. The green highlighted is figure. So can you tell me?
Yes.
Okay, count the square units and tell me.
20 inside that highlighted part.
Yes, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So what is the area of this? That is 20 square units.
Yes.
20 square units. So we have to write square units. That is very important. Okay. So now this for you. Find the area of the figures. Can you tell me what is the
Yes.
area? Okay. Find out and tell me. First of all, we have to count the total number of squares, that is
सर
complete. Yes.
हम लोग को जो थोड़ा हाफ है हम लोग को भी गिनना है.
Half, the half part we will count by joining two half parts. If we will join two half parts, then we will get the full. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And this is 14 plus 4 into half. That is 2. 4 into half means 2.
2.
So 14 plus 2, that is 16. 16
Yes.
square units. Okay. So area of this figure is 16 square units. Okay. Now you have to find out the area of this figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 24, these are 6 half parts. 6 half parts means that is 3 complete parts. So 27 square units. So area of this figure is 27 square units. Okay. Now you have to find out the area of this figure. Can anyone tell me what is the area of this figure? Yes, yes, children, can you tell me what is the area of this figure? It is very easy. We have to count the square units only.
27.
27. Okay,
6.
we will check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. And half parts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is, yes, 3 plus,
27.
that is
27.
30,
Answer.
30 square units. Okay, this is last figure. You have to find out the area and tell me the answer. Yes, what is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 4 half parts. So 6 plus 2, that is 8 square units. So 8 is the right answer. Okay. We will see this in next lesson. Okay. This is for your homework. It is evaluation part, but it is for your homework. Take a screenshot.
I copy.
Okay. Thank you all of you. Have a good day.